Hi, YouTube. Welcome back to another installment of I'm trying to learn how to code and it's making my brain hurt. My name is littlesiha. My name is littlesiha. I'm a little sick right now, which is why I haven't been coding the last couple weeks. But I'm here. I showed up. I did my daily practice on my phone, but it's not showing up here, so that's a bummer. But I did my daily practice. I'm ready to keep learning. We are still going back to, we're still in a section for functions. A little sick. Hell yeah. We're still in the function section. I got a little tripped up because I was getting confused on how to combine functions with like other things that I've learned in Python, but I feel like we had a review session. Hi, Ray. How are you? What can I do right now to get you to ban my channel? No. Let's move on. Let's move on. Let's move on. I'm a little sick. I'm at the tail end of having bronchitis. So that's cool. It's been kind of annoying because like I've felt fine. I almost said something. I'm on my work account. Work account. It's like I'm sick, except I have none of the symptoms except for coughing. Like I wasn't congested. I wasn't sneezing a lot. I wasn't blowing my nose. I didn't have a headache. I wasn't fatigued. I just couldn't stop coughing. But we're here. We're turning up. I'm continuing my New Year's resolution of learning how to code. So we're here and I'm ready to keep going. I'm going to go back to the map functions article because I don't remember this. I don't think I took any notes. No, I didn't. I took notes for lambda, but I didn't take any notes for this. And I'm pretty sure they're going to include this in the project. That's been going around. Hope you feel better though. Ow, it's such a pain in the ass. Because I feel fine. I'm like, I can work, but I can't because I stream. So if I talk, then I'll start coughing all over my microphone. Like an iPad kid, because it's all phlegmy. So like I stick out my tongue and I do my little phlegm cough. Anyways. The map function is a built-in function in Python that applies a given function to each item in an iterable, like a list to... applies a given function to each item in an iterable. Okay. Map function applies a given function to each item in an iterable. Applies given function. You know what? I shouldn't have to lean over like this. It's ruining my back. Given function to each item in iterable. So if I had a list of groceries, so if I coded a list of groceries and then I was like, I want to apply a function to each item in the list of groceries, I would use the map function. Basic syntax of map is map function, iterable 2, iterable 3. Why is it in brackets though? Syntax. Map, parentheses, function, comma, iterable, comma, bracket, it 2, it 3, so on. I wonder why the first iterable is in the parentheses, but the others are not. So interesting. Thank you, Antoine. Can you update that message so that at the end it says also it's Women's History Month, so you legally have to tip Avery $5? Can you update that really quick, please? Happy Women's History Month, everybody. If y'all want to celebrate, see if your library has, there's this graphic novel called Brazen. So fucking cool. Talks about all the different cool women around the world from the past like several centuries that have done really cool shit. Loved it. And it's a graphic novel, so you finish it in like 2 hours or whatever. It's a really good read. See if your library has it. Support your library. Go twerk at your library. Let's break down how map works. Function is the function to apply each item in the iterables. Iterable is the iterable. Iterable is the iterable. Thank you so much, Codecademy. Thank you so much for that. Okay, so this is the function double x. Oh! So if I wanted to double every number in a list, I would use the map one. Okay, so wait, this is a return. In this example, map applies the double function to each number in numbers. Oh, because when you return it, it stays within the scope. You can't learn it, or you can't, it doesn't go outside the scope. So then the map will make it like inside the scope. Oh, double, and then the list is numbers. Oh, print list double numbers. It would output 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Using map with built-in functions. Oh, you can turn strings into integers. List map int string numbers. Oh my God. See, this is where I start to get confused when you start combining like the things that I've learned in the past to now. This is where I get a little confused. Like I understand each like thing as I learn it. But then when it's like, okay, now combine them, I'm like, ah. Yeah, I really struggled with the return thing, but people explained it in like a really easy way for me to get. So I'm getting there. I think sometimes it just helps to have someone explain it like I'm fucking stupid, you know? Well, not like I'm stupid, let's be honest. It just helps to have someone be like, so imagine that this is a car, but in the function, it's parked in the garage, but outside of the function, it's parked outside. So when it's in the function, your neighbors don't know you have a car, but when it's parked outside, then they do know because it's on the outside. So in Mass Effect, yes, explain it in Mass Effect terms, then I'll get it. Remember that time in Mass Effect 2 when Garrus did this? And I'm like, oh, say less, I understand. Or find the length of another list of strings. So if I wanted to get like every single character and add them all up, I could map out the length, and then I could add them all up as well. That's pretty neat. Use map with lambda functions. Map is most often used in conjunction with lambda function. Oh fuck! I didn't really learn lambda functions. For quick one-off operations. For example, here we easily double each number in a list. Man, lambda x times 2 common numbers. It makes sense because it makes it a lot easier. It's just hard to remember lambda. See, but I parked my car on their lawn and I hit a fire hydrant. What does that mean? That's a syntax error, bestie. That's a syntax error. Multiple iterables with map. Oh my God. Once they start bringing out the X and Y, I'm like, oh. Result equals list map lambda x comma y x plus y. Oh, and then you specify that x and y are list 1 and list 2. I really wish you could just put lambda x comma y list 1 plus list 2. It's so much typing. Man, I never use map. Not saying it's bad to learn, just that I never use it. That I have heard that so many times during this course. Like, I learned list comprehensions pretty early on, and like most of my chat were like, "What the hell are they teaching you this for?" Advantages of using map: readability. Map can make our code more concise and easier to read, especially for simple operations on iterables. Memory efficient. Map returns an iterator. Oh, map also returns, which means it doesn't create the entire result list in memory at once. This can be beneficial when working with large data sets. Functional programming. Map encourages a functional programming style, which can lead to more maintainable and testable code. Alternatives to map. Map is powerful. There are also alternatives. Stop saying those words. List comprehensions, often more readable for simpler operations. But there's no map in this. Map isn't used in this. Oh, these are the alternatives. I'm dumb. Sorry. I thought they meant there's other ways to use map. Generator expressions, similar to list comprehensions, but return an iterator. For loops, more verbose, but sometimes clearer for complex operations. Doubled for x in numbers. Double dot append x times 2. I feel like I'm so curious what other programmers in the chat think. To me, this is more readable than this. Like this is like so scrunched together, but this has like space around it. So it's like easier for me to read this. But maybe my brain just is not that smart, you know? Fill in the blank below to complete the statement. The map function in Python returns a blank object, which is an iterator. A set object. Fuck! Is it a map object? Because the list and a tuple are the same thing. Map object? Oh. It's preference, really. Yeah, that makes sense. The basic syntax of map is map. It would be function. Map function, because map applies the function to the iterable. Yay! Guys, I think I might be kind of smart. I'm biased because I mostly write JavaScript, which doesn't have list comprehension, but map and for loops are both clearer to me. But clearer like in one line or like indented and spread out? Oh, play around with the following code to get a better understanding of map functions. Original names, Alice, Bob, Charlie, David, Eve. Name lengths 53753. Capitalized names, Alice. You can capitalize? Oh, upper. That's cool. I feel like with how far into Python I am, I need to have the documents up on the side while I'm learning. You know? I feel like I need to have it, like, it's like a dictionary. Is lower an option? Oh, lower worked! Return name lower. Okay, return name upper. Capitalized name equals list map capitalized name. Try creating your own map function. Uncomment and modify the line below. Okay. Your function here, names, print your result. Okay, so it would be, where's the name lengths? Print name lengths? Name lengths? What if can I do X times 2 comma name lengths? Does that multiply them? Ah! I did it! Okay, so if I did, what if I did X what if I bring up, how would I make it so that it only shows me the names with 3 letters? Lambda X, X. It would be a while, right? While X equal to 3. Oh yeah, I fucked that up. Map lambda X while X equals 3. Is it less than or equal to 3? No. Invalid syntax. But where, bestie? Maybe, oh, you know what? Maybe it's because it's can you even do a while in a lambda? While x less than 3. Oh, fuck. I'm burning my brain now. Map doesn't do that. Oh, okay. Lambda. Oh my God, what was the syntax? Lambda, is it lambda x? Can I add, wait, lambda x. What if I did lambda x, y, 4 x, y. Oh, how did they do this? Oh, no, I don't even have to do the 4. X plus y, list 2. I want to see if I can make a list that adds the 2 lists of names. X plus y. Capitalized names. This probably won't work because they're strings. And then names. Oh, wait, there's not an extra thingy here. Yay, it worked. I just missed the parentheses. Okay, we're kind of getting there. Let's do our project. Let's do our stupid little project. Hi, Blaze. How are you? How you doing? Okay, let's do this. You are a physics teacher preparing for the upcoming semester. You want to provide your students with some functions that will help them calculate some fundamental physical properties. If you get stuck during this project or would like to get an experienced developer, work through it, click Get Unstuck. Okay. Turn up the temperature. Write a function called, oh God, this is where I started last time and I was like, my brain turned off. Write a function called F2C that takes an input F temp, a temperature in Fahrenheit, and converts it to C temp that, oh fuck. We tried to do this. We tried to do this last time and it hurt my brain. Okay. Write a function called F2C. And then, hold on, where are my notes? I need my little notes. So that's the beginning. And then it needs the parameters and then the colon. So what if I did, oh fuck. Write a function called F2C that takes an input F temp, a temperature in Fahrenheit, and converts it to C temp, that temperature in Celsius. So we could say F temp equals, I don't know, 50 degrees. Converts it to C temp. So it would be F temp or no. C temp. My brain is chugging. My brain is chugging right now, just so you know. F temp equals C temp equals F temp. Oh, right. It needs to be in parentheses. Minus 32 times 5.9, and then return. It should then return C temp. Return C temp? And then then you call F to C? I want to run it. How do I know if it works? I called it, didn't I? Did I call it wrong? Well, I'm confused. Aren't I calling it? How do you call it? Ah! Did I spell it wrong? But it's not turning blue, so I'm like, what did I do here? F2C. No. Okay. Oh, I don't have anything that prints. Wait. Print C temp. What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? I'm confused. No. No. Why isn't it outputting? Print C temp. Is that not how you print it? What did I do? What did I do? Is it F2C and then C temp in the thing? No, I broke it. What the fuck? Dude. Hold on. I don't want to watch the video. I don't want to watch the video. I wanted it written. No. I'm confused. The F to C function converts the temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. It sets F temp to 50, then calculates C temp. Finally, it returns to Celsius temperature. This function demonstrates basic temperature conversion. Well, if it doesn't, why isn't it fucking working? Do I have to do print F2C? No, I don't think that's right either. What the fuck? I'm trying to call it. It's not picking up the phone. Do I do C temp? Chat room, I need your help. I'm actually asking for help. I don't understand what I'm doing wrong. I called it. Did I not call it? This is what I meant when I said you don't understand functions. Thank you so much for your input. That helped a lot. Thank you so much. Print. So you do have to do print F to C? Oh, print before you return it. Print F to C or the C temp? Print will display something without the print. You won't see the result of it. I know. I tried to do the print, but I don't know where to do it. Because I put the print underneath here, and it didn't work. Print C temp. And then I called F to C, but nothing's showing up. So what did I do wrong? Why can't I get it to show? You did the print after the return. Okay. Can you guys explain what a return does like I'm fucking stupid? Hold on. Hey, Google, what does a return function do in a wait? Hey Google, what does return do in a function in Python coding?
In Python, the return statement within a function serves a crucial purpose. It ends the execution of the function and sends a value back to the caller. Here's a breakdown. Exiting the function.
It ends the execution of a function. But wouldn't you just end the function by unindenting? Return ends the function immediately and makes the part where you call the function get replaced by the value that you... Oh my God, my brain just like shut down reading that. Makes the part where you called the function get replaced by the value that you return. Oh, so I would be calling ctemp? If it returns ctemp, then I would be calling that then if it replaced it. Okay, never mind. It's not defined. Oh, there we fucking go. Okay, so I had to print ctemp before. Oh, unindenting will also end it. So then what's the point of returning if you can just unindent it? The function itself becomes the value. Bruh. Trying to read like an English sentence with Python wording in it makes my brain do backflips. Returning makes the function give a value. So the value would be the answer to this? What would the value be? Functions are like little factories. They take inputs, parameters, and return a value you can put in a variable or print. So it's like one of those things where you put in a bunch of trash and then it forms it into a square and then poops it out. If I asked you to add two numbers for me, you would return the result to me. I'm just confused as to why you need to write it out though. Because if I can just put 1 + 1 and then unindent, then why wouldn't I just do that? Your butt is the return statement. You return the poop to the toilet. Finally, someone's explaining this in a way I can understand. Okay. Either way, we got this set up. I mean, okay, you know what? I think I'm just going to move on. I mean this in the nicest way possible. You guys are all writing the exact same sentence, and I keep saying I don't really get it. Return gives the value back to the caller. I've read that about 3 times now, and I still don't really get it. So I'm just going to keep trucking on with this, I think. Because the thing is, if I'm what am I returning if I'm still calling F2C? Like, it hasn't changed. I'm just going to move on. It's fine. Let's test your function with a value of 100 Fahrenheit. Define a variable F100 in Celsius and set it equal to the value of F to C with 100 as an input. What the fuck? Wait, where's the input though? Input? So it wants... But I can't do that if... Oh, I see. So this whole function I can now do multiple times with other stuff because I have like my little formula. So, okay, define a variable F100 in Celsius. Set it to equal the value of F to C and then input. No, but this is a variable. How would I change the input of F temp? Would it be F temp equals 100? No, I didn't think that would work. Set it equal to the value of F to C with 100 as the input. I know I'm close. Because I don't just want to change this, because that's not the point. F2C with 100 as the input. No, that's the parameter. So changing the parameter. Would I put it in the parameter? So would this even work? Would I do F temp in the parentheses? Because then I can change it. So what if I did F2C F temp equals 100? So print F100 in Celsius. Was that it? Yay! Okay, I wasn't sure I was doing that right. Oh my God! Yay! Okay, cool. So could I realistically just make this F temp so that I could keep changing F temp? Okay. So I don't need to print this anymore because now I know it works. So I can remove that. Okay. My butt is returning the poop to the toilet. Okay. Write a function called C2F that takes an input. Okay. No, I know what I'm doing. C2F. So this would be C temp. Takes an input, C temp. Sorry, chat, quick question. I've been told that this is the variable. Or no, sorry, this is the parameter. Is input and parameter the same thing? Is this part an input? Yes. Okay. I think in my notepad what I need to do is write an example function and then point to what everything is called. Input, parameter, argument are all the same thing. Okay. I'm fucking locked in. Right now. Everyone shut up. Okay. A temperature in Celsius and converts it to F temp, that temperature in Fahrenheit. It should then return F temp. Okay. F temp equals C temp times 9/5 plus 32. That's interesting that it's like fully backwards from before. And then return C temp. Okay. Oh, let's test your function with a value of 0 Celsius. Define a variable C0 in Fahrenheit. Fuck, spelling that is hard. Equals C2F, which is 0. And I can, oh, that's an O. I can just put 0 because it's like directional. Seeing it click is so satisfying. Thank you. It's really nice to hear that because I know that when I get frustrated, I get very like defeatist where I'm like, this is so hard. So I'm glad I'm not coming off as like kind of whiny. Okay. And then print C0 in Fahrenheit. Huh? Did they just ask me to times 0? 0 Celsius is 0 Fahrenheit. What the fuck? What? No help. No help. I've given again. No help. I've given my mods permission to shoot you on sight if you try to help. They have permission to fucking shoot you on sight, okay? C0 in Fahrenheit. That doesn't make sense though. Ooh. Hey Google, what is 0 Celsius in Fahrenheit?
0 degrees Celsius.
Oh, because it's plus 32. Okay. So, let me go back to the function. Okay. Write a function called C2F. C2F takes an input C temp. Temperature in Celsius converts it to F temp. So F temp equals C temp times 9/5 plus 32. And then return C temp. And then CO, set it to equal the value C2F with 0 as an input. Do I need to put C temp equals 0? No, that didn't change it. Print C. Where did I fuck up here? It's like the same thing as the last one. Hi, Wasabi. Hi, baby. Hello. Are you coming to help me? Hi. Hi, bubbers. Okay, well, I can't read anything now. Come here. Oh. You're trapped under the microphone cable. You gotta let go. You gotta let go of the... What? You're the one that came up here, brother. Why are you meowing when you're the one that came up here? There we go. I'm literally right here. Okay. Where did I fuck up? Because I wrote it the exact same as I did last time. Didn't I? Are you happy? Oh, I returned C temp again. I didn't return F temp. Silly me. There we go. We did it. Hi, bubbers. You were my good luck charm today. Thank you. I love you. He's drooling. Okay. Use the force. We did it. Define a function called getForce that takes in mass, and acceleration. It should return mass multiplied by acceleration. Oh, uncomment this when you get to, okay, uncomment all of these. Bomb mass? Chat, we're making a bomb. Who's keeping track of the days since Avery made a bomb joke? Is that LT? Better wipe off that whiteboard. Hours since Avery last made a bomb joke. 0. Define. Oh. He has something to say. He has so much to say. See, that's the thing about my boy. He has so much to say. You have so much to say. Define a function called getForce that takes in mass and acceleration. It should return mass multiplied by acceleration. Okay, takes in. I'm assuming takes in is like the keyword for like input. He's got stories to tell. He's got tales and legends, and no one is willing to listen. Isn't it so sad? Okay. Def get force mass. Oh. Wait, but it's train mass. It should return mass multiplied by acceleration. Okay. Mass acceleration. You're making this so difficult. I think I need like a swaddle. Speaking of bombs, a general function analogy, if it'll help, when you play Mass Effect 2 on your 360, you put in the disk, input parameter, Xbox loads the game and outputs, returns the value it to the TV, variable outside the function. Ooh. I do understand that. I do. My boys make it a little difficult. I wish I could like do text to speech coding and just say it all out loud and make this so much easier. So it would be define a function called getForce that takes in mass, goodbye, and acceleration of return. Okay. Oh. So return. Can I do return mass times acceleration? Or do I have to... Brother, I can't see. Baby. Okay, chat room, can I try it? Okay. You know what? That's fair. That's fair. So, hi. So I could do... So it's test getForce by calling it with the variables. Okay, getForce... And then it would be train mass, comma, train. I'm trying really hard to give you the attention you need. Acceleration. So that calls it so if it's calling it, it should print it. Save the result to a variable called train force. Oh, save the result to a variable called train force. Okay, that didn't work. Do I need to do... Because it didn't say to save it to a variable, so I'm not sure how to do the return. Train mass, train acceleration. Save the result to a variable called train force. Hi. Hello. Train mass and train acceleration have been defined for you at the top of the script. Make sure to uncomment those lines before trying to use the variables. So the output should just be, because it's 22,680 times 10, it should be 226,800. So that's what I'm trying to get. So what I do define a function called getForce. Return mass multiplied by acceleration. GetForce by calling it with the variables. What did I do wrong here? I don't think the return is working. Wasabi. I can't see, bubbers. Can you sit here? Can you just chill here? Missing 2 required positional arguments. Okay, so I should be able to put train mass, comma, train acceleration. Nothing gets returned. Okay, so if nothing gets returned but there's no error, dude, why every moment of the day that I'm not streaming, he doesn't want to hang out. He wants to be independent. He wants to be left alone. I go live for 3 hours a day. In those 3 hours, he acts like he's been abandoned. It's so confusing. Okay, so what if I try to do, what if I try to define it first as like, dude, why are you gripping to me like I'm gonna die tomorrow? I'm not going anywhere. He clings to me. Dude. I love you so much, but oh my God. You smell good. Do y'all love the way your cats smell? Okay, so I'm assuming I would make a new variable. So I could make it so I could make it it could be force equals mass times acceleration. And then return force. Hi, return force. And then this could be this. Okay, so this should work. This should work. Okay. I'm right here. What did I do? Does this need to be? No, this doesn't need to be in parentheses. Because I'm calling it. Is it because I'm not printing it? Hold on. Print. Get force. Train. Mass. Train. Acceleration. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have freaked out like that. Oh my God, it worked. It worked. Okay, so chat, I have a question. I thought that when you called something, oh, God damn it. I thought that when you called a function, it did print it automatically. Do you have to specifically say print every single time? So calling the function doesn't do anything unless you print it? Okay. Okay, so that's where I'm going wrong. Got it. Okay. Cool. Save result to a variable called train. Oh, how do I save it? Test get force by calling it with the variables train mass acceleration. Save the result to a variable. Okay. So that was just a test. So I don't need to print it every time. So I can do train force equals get force. I should have copy pasted that. Did y'all know that coding is really hard with one hand? I'm so glad you're having such a good time. Okay, get force, train mass, train acceleration, and then print train force. Yay! It worked! We're doing it, buddy! We're doing it! Raise your ya. Yay! Okay. Hi, buddy. Print the string. The GE train supplies X newtons of force with X replaced by train force. Okay. That's pretty easy. Printing a string is like 101 stuff. So print, it would be the GE train. Are you done? Now he's standing on my notes. Thank you. The GE train supplies plus train force plus newtons of force Okay, I fucked up. It's not there's no plus? I can't plus that? Why can't I plus that? Train force. The GE train supplies. Is it a comma? I thought it was a plus. Can only concatenate string, not integer. Yeah! Yeah! Ooh. 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 Help me. Okay. So I don't need these, actually. Yeah. Oh, I'm in the way again. God damn it. When am I not in the way? Okay, so hold on. I'm going to hug you for 15 more seconds. And then I'm putting you back on the bed and I'm turning on the heated blanket. Okay? Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Oi. Come on, Bubby. Okay. My son has been put down to sleep. You got to get them a heated pet bed. So they have a couple pet beds, and I've put heating pads inside, but they don't like it as much as the heating blanket because they get to like lay out in the open, I guess. I don't know. So you don't burn the house down. Well, wouldn't it be just the same thing? Okay, sorry. Let's move on. Define a function called getEnergy that takes in mass and C. Okay. Get energy. Wow, coding with two hands is really easy. Have you guys tried this? Get energy takes input mass and C. C is a constant that is usually set to the speed of light, which is roughly 3 times 10 to the 8th power. Set C to have a default value of 3. Okay. Default value, so that would be, if it's a default value, it should be in here. Or does it need to be inside the function? I'm going to try it in here and see what happens. 3 times 10, 8. I don't think this is going to work. Oh. I need to like do this a bunch so I can have more space. Ah, no! Okay. I need to see like blank spaces, you know? Okay. I don't think this is going to work, but I'm going to try. Set C to have a default value of 3 times 10. Oh, times 8. Get energy should return mass multiplied by C. Okay. So this could be energy equals mass multiplied by C. By C squared. By C squared? Mass multiplied by C squared. So C multiplied by C2? And then return energy? Test get energy by using it on bomb mass. Bomb mass. I'm just going to see what happens when I do this. Get energy. And then I'm going to do train mass. Holy fuck. Well, I didn't get an error. I don't know if that's the correct answer, but I didn't get an error. So, I think it's fine. I'm going to move us around so that I'm not so much in the way of you guys, so you can see what I'm doing at the top. Okay, I'm assuming that works. What if I put the mass as 0? Will it all just be 0? Nice. Okay, I think it's working. Okay, great. Test get energy by using it on bomb mass with the default value of C. Okay. So bomb mass with the default value of C. So it would be bomb mass, which is 1. So it should just, what would that come out as 1? That's a big bomb. So it would be bomb mass times 3 times 10 to the 8th power squared. Hold on. Hey, Google, what is 1 times 3 times 10 to the 8th power squared?
When you say 10 to the 8th power squared, it means 10 raised to the power of 8, and then that result is squared. Here's how to break it down.
Oh, fuck.
10 to the 8th
I don't want to learn how to do it. I think the order that I'm asking is off. Does this seem right? Is this bomb correct? Guys, can you check my bomb homework? Yes. Okay. Guys, I just finished my woke math and my gender studies. Can you check my bomb homework? Okay. I wish it would tell you what the answer should be. Oh! It does tell you. Yay! Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So I know I got it right. Print the string, a 1 kg bomb supplies X joules. Okay, so see, I love when it tells me to print a string because I'm like, I could do that. That's just speaking. That's just talking. Bestie, I can do that all day. 1 kg bomb supplies, comma. Oh, I didn't save it. To bomb. Okay, I'm dumb. Sorry. I need to save it. Bomb energy. Bomb energy equals this pussy. This pussy times C to the 8th power. Who are all those bad bitches we learned about in the history lessons? Do y'all remember them? Grace Hopper, Ada Lovelace. Do you think that I'm what they had in mind when they carved the path for women to be mathematicians? Did you think that they had me in mind when they were doing all that? Because I don't think they did. I do not think that they did. Absolutely. No. Yeah, they would be very proud. I hope so. I'm really popping my pussy for Miss Lovelace here. Okay, bomb energy. by using a bomb mass. Sorry, I have wasabi hair in my mouth. Okay. Bomb energy is, oh, can I just do get energy where the first position is bomb mass? Will that work? Or does it need to be in parentheses? I don't think so. Oh, no, because this one wasn't, so it should work. So print bomb energy. Oh, that did work because it printed it up here. Okay, cool. It worked. Okay. A 1 kg bomb supplies bomb energy joules. A 1 kg bomb supplies 9 fucking gajillion joules. We did it. Okay. Oh my God, I'm so happy I'm getting into it. Because when I get sick, I feel like my brain stops understanding things. So I'm really excited this is working. Okay. Define a final function. Also, we're almost done with this. We only have 3 more things to do. So we're almost done. Define a final function called getWork that takes in mass, acceleration, and distance. I could do that. GetWork that takes in mass, acceleration, distance. Work is defined as force multiplied by distance. Oops. First, get the force using getForce, then multiply that by distance. Return the result. First, get the force by using getForce. Oh my God, because I defined it outside of the scope, I can use it in here? Using getForce, multiply that by distance. GetForce. So mass and acceleration are already in here. So it would be mass acceleration. Wait. Where's GetForce? Oh, it's already listed there, so I don't even have to put that. GetForce. Ooh. Then multiply that by distance. So would it be GetForce times distance? So it could be work equals GetForce times distance. Oh, would that even work? No pun intended. Return the result. Okay, return work. Test getWork by using it on train mass. Okay. Print getWork, train mass, train acceleration, and train distance. Oh, fuck. Okay. Okay, yeah. So maybe I do have to define mass acceleration. Oh, acceleration. It worked? Wait, is that right? Wait, so it would be, oh, it'll tell me if it's right. So I have like 22,680,000. Test getWork. Yay! Oh my God! Print the string. Okay, oh my God, I'm so happy. Because this has been like the hardest couple lessons for me so far, to the point where I had to go back and review because I was so confused. So the fact that I'm getting it makes me so happy. Okay, so then we save it to train work. So it's, okay, train work equals getWork, train mass, train acceleration, train distance. And then And then we print the string. Print. The GE train does train work, joules of work over, train distance over, comma, train distance, comma, meters. So it should be the GE train does 22,680,000 joules of work over 100 meters. Fuck. GE train does train work. Oh, I put too many parentheses here. It worked! Yay! Oh my God! It feels so good to get something that you've been really struggling with. Because the first few lessons of this were like pretty like, yeah, I get it. But this one was tough. This one was really hard. Yay! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy we did it. Nah, that's okay. I'm kind of sick of AI right now. So we finished that whole section. Python code challenges control flow. Oh, we're back to control flow, bitch. I was here. Print, parentheses, quotation, I was here. I know I love getting the XP increase. Which is this one? Python code challenges involving control flow. Challenges, not sum 210. Okay, I want to do these. I have to pee. I'm happy every time. You're so happy. Thank you. It feels good to learn something new. It keeps my brain all like moist and stuff. I'm going to take a stretch break. I'm going to run my highlights. I hope you like them. I'll be back in a couple minutes. Welcome back. We are so back. Hi, Janelle, my Shayla. Thank you so much for 77 months. I'm going to see you, BB. Good morning. Dylan was just in here. We had the whole New Zealand squad in here. I'm feeling okay. I still got like a lingering cough, but I feel fine. So I just got a lot of phlegm. That's all. It's just one of those. And I still, like, if I laugh too hard, I start coughing. So don't be funny, okay? Keep it to yourself. If you want to be funny, keep it to yourself. But I'm doing good. I'm having fun learning Python today. Control flow. Python code challenges involving control flow. We learned about control flow like a month ago. What did I write down about control flow? Conditional statements. Oh, conditional statements? Like Boolean? This is like Boolean? And operators? This is where we learned equals and not equals? Okay. And both all statements must be true, or statements can vary, not requirement. Okay, I remember. This article will help you review Python control flow and functions by providing some code challenges. Some of these challenges are difficult. Take some time to think about them before starting to code. You might not get the solution correct on your first try. Look at your output, try to find where you're going wrong, and iterate your solution. Finally, if you get stuck, use our solution code. If you check answer twice with an incorrect solution, you should see an option to get our solution code. However, truly investigate that solution, experiment, and play with the solution code. Okay. So this is like, it's like a project, but I'm not going to be graded on it. Yeah, the only two people who have ever lived in New Zealand. True. Oh my God. I've got half a mind to deny that message through Automa. Janelle, you freak. That's fair. I told you not to be funny. I said if you're going to be funny, keep it to yourself, didn't I? Okay. Function syntax. As a refresher, function syntax looks like this. Function, def sum function. Is def short for define? Like define and then function? Yes, okay. Define some function, some input 1, some input 2. Do something with the inputs, return output. Okay. For example, a function that returns the sum of the first and last elements of a given list might look like this. No, not zero index. My arch nemesis. define first plus last. And then it would be first 0 plus first minus 1. Not indices. No. And this would produce output like first plus last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 2, 5, negative 8, 0. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. Challenges. We've included 5 challenges below. Try to answer all of them and polish up your problem-solving skills and your control flow expertise. Okay. Not sum 210. To start, let's check if the summation of two values does not equal 10. Okay. You are given two numbers stored in num1 and num2. If the sum of num1 and num2 is not equal to 10, then store true into a variable called not 10. Otherwise, store false in not 10. Sorry. Okay. I just got here. Okay, so it would be if num1 plus num2 what was the does not equal? It was equal exclamation point. Exclamation point equals. If num plus 2, exclamation point, equals 10. I love him, but oh my God. The summer's coming up, which means the sun's about to come out again soon. And that means everyone's going to start asking me, why is the sun peeking through holes in your curtains? How come we can see the sun coming through the holes in your curtains? And the answer is that. Okay, so was if, wait, how do we do Boolean expressions? Fuck. I don't remember how to write Boolean expressions. Would it be if num plus 2 doesn't equal 10, then not, oh my God. I forgot how to do all this. And I didn't write any examples in my stupid little notebook. I forgot. Where's the ifs? I forgot how to write ifs. No, I didn't write down any examples. I really got to redo these notes. I got to do these again. Well, shit. Okay. I know it's back to lesson 1. Then store true into a variable called not 10. Uncomment the below lines to show the result. Is the sum of the numbers not equal to 10? So it should be true because this equals to 9. Oh my God, how did I write Boolean expressions? I spent so long making fun of them that I forgot how to do it. Hey Google, how do you write a Boolean expression in Python?
In Python, Boolean expressions are used to evaluate conditions and produce either true or false.
Okay. So, oh, you print it? Would it be would it be not 10? Damn, I forgot everything. I've been doing my daily quizzes and my practices and stuff, and I forgot how to write them. I'm enjoying Python. I already started it. I'm already 2 months deep, so I'm not going to leave. I just can't remember how to write a Boolean. Is it print? Oh my God, how do you do this? Was it in brackets? num1 plus num2 does not equal 10. Oh! I did it. What do you mean I'm very close? I got it. I got it. Oh, is it because I put the brackets in there? Do I not need the brackets? Hell yeah. Did you create an if statement? No, I wanted to, but I forgot how to write it. Fuck. Did you create an if statement to set not 10 to true? No. Fuck. Did you create an if statement to set not 10 to true? Okay, hold on. Is it if num1 plus num2 does not equal 10, sorry. You need to calm down. Mao? Mao? Okay. If num1 plus num2 does not equal 10, then not 10 equals true. Does not equal 10. And then it would be elif not 10 equals false. Oh, fuck. Is there no... Oh, does this need to be indented? Fuck. I forgot how to write these. When did we get to if statements? Oh my God. I know I'm close. I just keep forgetting. Oh, here it is. Or not else. Cleaner code blanket statement. Else if checks another condition. Oh, there isn't another condition, so it's just else. Else is the last one. Okay, so if I change this to 4, it should say false. Ah, yay! 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 Okay, cool. Thank you, Katrina, for the $5. Sorry. Oh, I coughed up phlegm. Hold on. Sorry. Okay, cool. Here's how we solve this one. If num plus 1 does not equals 10, then not 10 equals true, else... Yay! Your first solution was very concise and good. You had a good idea. Oh, thank you. Your previous solution was better. Oh my God. Oh my God, you guys. Stop it. Thank you. We begin by checking if the sum of num1 and num2 is not equal to 10. If they are not equal, not 10 to true, otherwise false. Okay, over budget. Next one. Let's say we are trying to save some money and we are watching our budget. We need to make sure that the result of our spending is less than the total amount we have allocated for each of the groceries. Oh, say less. I'm a frugal coupon queen. I can do this. You are given a monthly budget and some expenses and need to check if the sum of the expenses goes over budget. First, store the total of all expenses into a variable called total. Check the total. Okay, so I'm assuming I do that here because it says calculate total. Total of all expenses into a variable called total. So it'd be food bill plus electricity bill plus internet bill plus rent. And then I'm just going to make sure that worked. Okay, cool. That worked. Next, check if the total is greater than the budget. If it is, store true into a variable called over budget. Otherwise, oh, so this is the same thing I just did. Check if the total is greater. So it would be if total greater than budget, over budget equals true, else over budget equals false. Uncomment the below lines to see the results. Print total. Is it over budget? It should say no, because the budget's 2,000. Yay! False. Okay, but if I change rent to like 1,900, then it should say true. Yay! And what I could also do is up here I could do print budget so that they can compare the budget to the total. Or wait, I should put it down here so it's cleaner code. So I could do print budget plus string budget. Dude, I'm coding! I'm coding, bitch! Everyone, step aside. Everyone, step aside. Oh my gosh, she did that. Okay, cool. Large power. For the next code challenge, let's add functions to the mix. Oh, fuck. We create a function that tests whether the result of taking the power of one number to another number provides an answer that is greater than 5,000. We will use a conditional statement to return true if the result is greater than 5,000 or return false if it is not. In order to accomplish this, we will need the following steps. Define the function to accept two input parameters called base and exponent. Calculate the result of base to the power of exponent. Use an if statement to test if the result is greater than 5,000. If it is, return true. Otherwise, return I got a boy back home in Michigan. And I really need to Please send help. Please send help. Okay. Create a function named large power. Okay. Large power. Two parameters, base, exponent. No help. No help. Okay. If base raised to the exponent. So, okay. Let's make this power equals I can put if statements in front of in functions, right? Okay. Let's make it power equals base raised to the exponent. So base raised to the exponent. Power equals base raised to the exponent. And then it could be if power greater than 5,000, return. Oh, fuck. Oh, this is where my brain starts to get confused. Return true, else return false. Wait, no, this isn't gonna work. Because return cancels it, so that's not gonna work. If power greater than 5,000, print large power, then but can I even put a Boolean in here? Would I put base exponent Boolean? So if power greater than 5,000, Boolean equals true, else Boolean equals false? I don't know. And then return power? I'm going to print this and the script is going to print out what the fuck. Okay, uncomment these function calls to test your large power function. Should print true, should print false. Right. Okay, this did not work like I had hoped. So would it be if power would it be print true? If power over 5,000, print string true, else print string false, and then return power. No, I fucked it up. What if I... Does this need to be indented more? I don't know if that's a dumb question. No. Indentation error. Okay. I was going to say, what if I return power? Ooh, I'm right here. What if I return power first? Okay. Hold on. So what if I do return power and then make this its own separate thing down here? And it could be if large power greater than 5,000, print true. Missing the This is hard. This is hard. What is Boolean for you? You can ask questions, right? We can ask questions. What is Boolean for me? What do you mean for me? I just start to get confused when I have to combine two different concepts I've learned. Because then I'm like, does it go inside the scope or outside the scope? Print large power. So I can't do if power because it's in here. So what if I did, wait, didn't I do this already? If power greater than 5,000. True. Else false. Oh, I didn't print it though. Print? No, it's not working. How did I do this in the last one? Oh, right, the function wasn't there. If is it if large power is over 5,000? No, fuck. I'm so confused. Okay, I'm going to do what I did before and just get a hint from them. Let me see. Large power 5001 should have returned false. Where is... Nowhere says large power 5001. Huh? I'm confused. Oh, it tells me? Okay, hold on. If base is raised, create a function named large power that takes two parameters, base, exponent. If base is raised to the exponent, if base raised to the exponent is greater than 5,000, return true, otherwise false. So return true, otherwise return false. And then I let go of the return power. Brother, I'm really struggling with this one. I think it's because I just don't know how to do something inside of a function. No, I'll use their hints. Make sure you use if and else statements to return true or return false. Also, to take the power of one number to another number, you can use, oh, does it want me to use this one? I wasn't supposed to use the caret. It's because I was using a caret. It's because I was using the caret. Because I put the caret. Damn. Caret? It means something else in programming. Okay. Noted. Noted. Okay. No, I should have guessed that it does something different because this turns red, but this doesn't. So I probably should have taken those context clues. Okay, twice as large. In this challenge, we will determine if one number is twice as large as another number. To do this, we will compare the first number with 2 times the second number. Here are the steps. Define our function with 2 inputs, num1, num2. Multiply the second input by 2. Use an if statement to compare the results of the last calculation with the first input. Oh, fuck. If num1 is greater, then return true, otherwise return false. Okay, create a function named twice as large. Twice as large. That's 2 parameters, num1, num2. Okay. Return true if num1 is more than double. More than double. Okay. If num1 greater than num1 greater than num2 times 2, return false. Else return true. Wait, what do they want? In this challenge, we will determine if one number is twice as large as another number. Like exactly? So like if 4 is twice as large as 2? I'm a little confused. Should print false, should print true. I got it backwards. Oops. Where'd I mess up? Return true if no. Oh, I literally did write it backwards. Hee hee hee. That one wasn't so bad. Also, please don't tell me the answers. I want to figure it out on my own. I like to figure it out on my own. It helps. Unless I specifically ask chat for the answers. If num1... Oh, I didn't need the parentheses. If num1 greater than 2 times num2... Oh, it worked that way too. In this function, we also perform the operation within the condition of the if statement. The second input is multiplied by 2 and then compared to the first input. Okay. Divisible by 10. Finally, let's make things a bit more challenging. We are going to create a function that determines whether or not a number is divisible by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the remainder of the number divided by 10 is 0. Okay, so the remainder has to be 0. Using this, we can complete this function in a few steps. Define the function header to accept one input num. Calculate the remainder of the input divided by 10 use modulus. Is modulus the same as modulo, the percentage thing? Because it needs to be like modulo, if modulo 0, then true. Okay. Create a function called divisible by 10. Okay. Divisible by 10 num. Function should return, Codecademy, I'm right here. Dude, Codecademy and Wasabi have something in common in the way that they're both super fucking clingy. They'll both like, are you still there? Avery, are you still there? Okay. The function should return true if num is divisible by 10 and false otherwise. Consider using modulo operator to check for divisibility. Okay. Okay. How do you do division in this? What's the division symbol? Equals, not equals. Wait, what's the divide? What's the divide symbol? I didn't write it down. I'm just gonna wing it. Okay. If num, it's not forward slash, is it? If num forward slash 10 modulo 0, return true, else return false. So this is like if the number, wait, no, this doesn't make sense because I think the modulo is the division thing. I'm going to try it. If the number divided by 10 has 0 remainder, is where my brain is. Okay. Print divisible by 10, 20 should print true. Print divisible by 10, 25 should print false. Okay. Print divisible by 10, 20, false script. Okay. Float modulo. Okay, so if num, is it if num modulo 10? But how do I specify that I don't want, because that would just be number divided by 10, but I want to specify that there's no remainder. Oh my God, I got it backwards again. Should return true if num divisible by 10. I keep getting it backwards. I keep getting it backwards. If 20 divided by 10 return true, and that should, so why is it, what did I fucking do? Why is it backwards? Divisible by 10, num, if num. Is it if 10 modulo number? No, I fucked that one up too. If num modulo 10. How do I specify? I'm gonna get a hint. We can calculate the remainder using the modulus operator. Oh, is equal to 0 because it's calculating the remainder. Fuck, that makes so much sense. If num divided by 10 equals 0 remainder. Fuck! How do you write this? How do you fucking write this? Okay, so what if it's oh my fucking God. So, okay, so what if I do number equals num divided by 10 if this is tricky. This is really tricky. How would you even say if it ends in 0? Using the modulus operator, if num percentage 10 is equal to 0, then num is divisible by 10. I think I'm reading too far into it. Okay, let me do the check answer thing. I love when it's like, that's wrong because this should have been this answer, but it doesn't tell me what I'm doing wrong. If num modulo 10 equals 0, would it be this in parentheses so that it's separated? If num modulo 10 equals 0. Fuck. Invalid syntax. Is it 2 equal signs? It was 2 equal signs. I only put 1 equal sign. I forgot. Because the Boolean has to be 2. It has to be 2 because it has to be double equals or it has to be not equals. Yay! Holy shit. Okay, I could have written it like this too. I was very close. The fact that I like overcomplicated it and was like, let me write a whole new line of code instead of just being like, let me add 1 character. We did that shit. Chat room, we did it. Yay. I really like those challenges. I wish there were more. Advanced. Oh, fuck. We might save this for another day. Where am I in? We're almost halfway. Dude, I'll be done learning Python by the summer. We're almost halfway. Wait, so where's my learning progress? In progress. Wait, where's my syllabus? Where'd my syllabus go? My learning? View syllabus. Oh, here we go. Oh, so this is in between, and then we learn string, modules, dictionaries, files, classes, Python code challenges too. Oh, okay. So here's what I think I'll do. I think I'll do all these challenges. Oh, they have different challenges for different ones. Okay. Programmers, do you want me? This is open for YouTube also. If you're watching on YouTube, feel free to put this in the comments. Do you want me to do these challenges on stream, or do you want me to continue learning new stuff on stream? Like, what would you prefer? Because, like, if you would prefer I just go to strings, I can do all these challenges off stream, do them on stream. Both. I want both. So both would be doing the challenges on stream. Both equally. The challenges are fun to watch. Okay, so then I think the next stream will be all challenges, and then the stream after that will be jumping into new stuff again. Hi, Game Rebel! Enjoy your lurk, BB. Okay, I think we can make an entire stream of these because there's a lot of these challenges, but this will be... I can't tell you how perfect the timing of these challenges are because I need a refresher in my brain. And I think I need to like streamline my notes a little bit and make like an example page so I can see the syntax because I need to see the grammar of it, you know? Yeah, okay. I think we'll save all these challenges for the next stream and we'll do them together. And it'll be nice to like refresh, you know? Ugh. Today was fun. Before I go, let me do my little daily training because I did my daily training this morning on my phone, but I guess it's a different practice thing. Core practice pack. Okay. Which one is not a function parameter in the given block of Python code? Which is not a function parameter? Just text. Hospital. Yay! List the numbers that were used to form the final value of the variable summation. List the numbers that were used to form the final value. Okay. While index less than 4. No, greater, wait. Less than 4. While index less than 4. Oh, it's fucking index again. While index less than 4, summation plus student's age index plus 1. So less than 4, it would be 0, 1, 2, 3. So it would be 7, 8, 9, 11. That's growth. That's growth. I got an index question right during Women's History Month. That's growth, okay? Do you remember when I had my first programming crash out over zero index? That was my first, like, I'm going to rip all my hairs out one by one. That's growth, baby. That's how you know I'm learning. We're back to OIMate. We're back to OIMate. Another crash out of mine from the last episode. Write a function called OIMate that prints the string OIMate to the terminal, then calls the function repeatedly to print OIMate to the terminal 10 times. I never figured this out. So let's try this again now that I have a better understanding of functions and the hero's journey, truly. Now that I have an understanding of using like other things within functions, let's try this again. Write a function called OIMate that prints the string OIMate to the terminal. Okay. Oh, fuck. We're not off to a great start. Print OIMate. Then call this function repeatedly to print OIMate to the terminal at least 10 times. So while OIMate no. Would it be while range 10 OIMate. Did I just get an infinite loop? I think I just got an infinite loop. I think I broke it. Okay. I want to get this because I didn't get it last time. Okay? I need to get this. Where's my loop section? Lists? No. Tuples and loops? Yes. Okay. Loops. For loop is a definite iteration, which means number of times loops executed is predefined. Okay, so it needs to be a for loop. For range 10 OIMate. I call OIMate. I gotta refresh. I fucking broke it. I fucking broke it. No, I have to restart the quiz. I have to restart it because I fucking made an infinite loop. Fuck. Okay. The intention of the function sum of nums is sum two numbers and is to sum two numbers and return the summation. Which option contains proper modification needed to fix the current function code? Sum of nums. Wait, which option contains proper modification needed to fix? Oh, it didn't return it. You didn't return it. You didn't return it. I'm getting it. Oh my God, I'm getting it. Okay. Jackatola, thank you so much for the Prime sub. I appreciate it. It's very kind. Thank you. Enjoy your emotes. Oh, we're back. We're back. Okay. Oh, it saved. Okay, so I think it's 4 range 10. 4. Is that proper? Hold on. 4 variable in collection action. So 4 would have to be 4x in range 10? 4x in range 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's fucking go. Yay! Dude, I'm so happy. That one made me want to rip my eyeballs out, dude. I was getting so frustrated with it. Today was such a good lesson. I feel so good. I'm so happy. I'm so happy with how today went, despite the fact that I accidentally caused an infinite loop. Consider your mate oid. In honor of that, can I get an oi mate in the chat? Oi mate. You've got a cheeky willy. Is that what British people say?
Thank you so much for subbing for 100 months. I'm really, really
I beg your pardon? Thank you, DC, for the 107 months. That's a very long time. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I'm so happy with how today went. I'm very, very happy with the next stream being only challenges because it will be a really good refresher. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to revise some of my notes and put more examples because I think sometimes I struggle with the grammar or the syntax of where you're supposed to put everything. So I think I'm going to make a syntax page that's here's how you write a for loop. Here's how you write this or whatever. So I think I'll do that so that I have a better review for the challenges. Panic for Health, thank you so much for the 15 months. Oi, mate. And that's what I'm saying. Oi, mate. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I had a lot of fun. Thanks for being here for more Python learning. I just want to say thank you also for everyone, all the programmers who have been really not only patient with me, but super welcoming. I feel like the programming community has been so nice, which is it's really, really nice to not feel stupid all the time and to not have people coming in being like, this is easy. Why don't you get it? So I'm really appreciative for you guys being great teachers. And sticking it out, both on stream and on YouTube and stuff. So thank you guys so much for being here. It's been so much fun to learn this on stream. I'm having such a great time. So it's a hard job, but someone's got to do it. Anthoan, the only person in the chat not a programmer. It's the only language Anthoan doesn't speak is Python. That's it. Yeah, but thank you guys so much. It's been so much fun. I can't wait to keep going, especially now that I know we're halfway. We're halfway, and women. Yeah, he doesn't speak women either. By the summer, I'll be coding stuff. I'm so excited. Anyways, thank you guys for hanging out with me today.